In this video, I'll guide you through step by step on how to generate YouTube video tags. So if you want to do that, you head straight to your browser and you now search for rapidtags.io. So now once you search for this keyword, you will now see enter your next YouTube video. You now enter the keyword of your next YouTube video. So if your keyword is how to draw a car, you now click at this point to now search. So now once you search, you realize that this system will automatically generate tags for your YouTube video on how to draw a car. If there's another keyword you wish to use, you can as well search for it and you now load it at this point and you now see this system will generate tags for you. So if this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.